Bulb-style security cameras have become some of the most versatile and user-friendly surveillance solutions on the modern market. With countless models competing for your attention, narrowing down the best options can feel like a daunting task. That's why we've done the research for you. Here are the top 5 light bulb security cameras that can bring you real peace of mind by keeping your home and loved ones safe. Kicking off our list is the Amaryllo Zeus E27, an impressively intelligent security camera that delivers military-grade encrypted protection for any room, patio, or garage. This Wi-Fi-enabled bulb requires absolutely no complicated wiring. Simply screw it into any standard light socket and you're ready to go, with no batteries required. The camera records in full HD with a 360-degree field of view and 90-degree pan and tilt functionality, ensuring there are no hidden blind spots. It also features infrared night vision, integrated spotlights, and a built-in smart LED that activates automatically when suspicious movement is detected. The free tier includes human detection, while a premium subscription unlocks advanced biometric capabilities like fire, vehicle, and pet recognition, human mapping, and path tracking. Footage can be stored in Amaryllo's cloud platform or synced directly to Google Drive. Next up is the VVP light bulb camera, designed for fast, hassle-free wireless setup. It fits into any standard bulb socket or can be attached via an included adapter. Footage is recorded in crisp 1080p resolution and stored conveniently on a micro SD card. Its intelligent night vision system delivers sharp, clear imagery after dark, and you can choose between standard and full-color night vision depending on your preference. The camera provides a complete 360-degree view with 355-degree pan and 95-degree tilt, leaving no corner uncovered. Viewing angles can be adjusted directly through the companion app. The built-in Wi-Fi enables automatic motion detection with instant app-based alerts, and the two-way audio feature allows for real-time communication. Lifetime technical support is included with every purchase. Third on our list is the OLook dual light bulb security camera, which supports 5G dual-band connectivity and delivers strikingly sharp, crystal-clear image quality. Installation couldn't be simpler. Just fit it into any standard bulb socket and you're done. It delivers a 360-degree panoramic view along with 90-degree tilt and 4x optical zoom, giving you exceptional coverage and detail. The viewing angle is fully adjustable via a dedicated Android or iOS app. When it comes to low-light performance, you have 3 night vision modes to choose from: infrared, intelligent, and full color. The camera packs in powerful extras like subject movement tracking and two-way audio communication. Live surveillance footage can be viewed remotely through the app at any time, and recorded videos can be stored on either an SD card or in the cloud for easy future playback. Coming in at number 4 is the WooLink light bulb camera, which gives you the flexibility of 2 installation methods. Mount it in a standard E26, E27 bulb socket or attach it virtually anywhere using the included adapter. It records smooth, detailed footage in 3MP resolution with 360-degree panoramic coverage that captures every corner of your space. Night vision performance is strong, with both infrared and white light options delivering clear images even in complete darkness. The built-in microphone and speaker enable seamless two-way conversations with anyone in the camera's view. The Homemade app lets you access your footage remotely at any time. Motion detection is automatic, with real-time app-based alerts sent the moment activity is detected. Advanced PIR motion intelligence helps distinguish human movement from other triggers, significantly reducing false alarms. Video storage is available via SD card or cloud. Rounding out our list is the UPack light socket camera, a reliable solution for monitoring your home or workplace from anywhere in the world. Installation is straightforward, no extra accessories needed, just screw it into any standard E27 socket. It delivers full 360-degree coverage with 355-degree horizontal and 95-degree vertical rotation for maximum visibility. Its advanced color sensor ensures vibrant, high-definition footage even in nighttime conditions. Two-way communication is supported via the integrated microphone and speaker. Smart PIR sensor technology detects unusual motion and sends instant alerts through the app. The camera supports a micro SD card of up to 128 gigabytes, and footage can also be backed up to the cloud. It features continuous 24/7 recording with automatic overwrite functionality when storage reaches capacity. And that wraps up our roundup of the 5 best light bulb security cameras available right now. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video like this.